think we've learned that collecting data is one challenge. It has its complexities at scale for sure, but really the transformation bit, that, as I say, pulling data from 400 sources, where it's messy and gappy, and distilling it down into one source, that's actually quite tricky, isn't it?
Absolutely. I think there are three stages or three areas of transformation that we generally face challenges. The first one is data extraction or entity extraction. For example, we have a client who's in the automotive intelligence business. And for this client, we gather data from a manufacturer or OEM brochures, vehicle data. So often you find that in the description, you will find the make, model, trim, door, body type, everything all lumped into a single line. Now, extracting that is, quite challenging. I think earlier we used to use rule-based tools like Gate, and later, NLP-based tools like CRF. But now with the advancements that we see in the field of deep learning, let's say with LSTM networks and transformer models, we are able to efficiently handle such challenges. The second area where I think we find we have challenges is the data prep, or the cleansing, standardizing, and normalizing data. And the third area where we find such challenges is mapping the data to client, a customer taxonomy, or the data schema of the clients. So I think these are the areas. But as I said, as AI gains traction, we are relying more and more on fine-tuned transformer-based semantic models to overcome such challenges. So it's getting easier.
Yeah, I guess spotting duplicates and stuff like that. But then you're right, mapping a piece of raw data from a website or from a source to that exact equivalent record buried in the client's system, that mapping can be quite tricky. But yeah, I guess the machine learning is. And just anything else on AI? It's all the rage. I think we'll try to get that balance between being AI skeptics and all the hot air that you have around AI, and being slightly cynical on one side. But I think we really are seeing this shift, Gladys, aren't we, where it is. We were using it a long time ago, but I think the shift is pretty genuine, isn't it, in terms of what we're able to do now? And it is,
Absolutely.
I think, possibly things better.
Yeah, I think we are using AI more and more as an enabler. And if you look at the three stages of transformation that or the three areas that I mentioned, which is data extraction, or data preparation and data mapping, I think we are seeing the use of AI, or at least we are using AI more and more to get us to become much more efficient. One thing that we have also seen is that this has now reduced the time that we take to develop a model. Let's say we have seen that it has come down by 50-60%. So the use of AI has definitely helped us in that aspect. It's also improved the accuracy of the data to a large extent. And also, if you look at with generative AI, we have moved from those old conventional machine learning solutions into much more complex decision-making tools, which mirror a human decision more and more. So, and the other area that AI has significantly helped us is, and as we collect data, it's large sets of data, I think, is the regulatory, security, and data privacy and data governance aspects. So I think definitely AI has helped us, and we are seeing that it's just getting better and better.